Pink Salt Trick Explained. Viral recipe with Pink Salt Himalayan that burns fat fast. Stop drinking plain water first thing in the morning. It might slow down your metabolism. But a tiny pinch of Himalayan pink salt can turn that water into a fat-burning, gut-healing, energy-boosting tonic. And almost everyone is doing it wrong. Stick around because I'll show you the exact morning routine that gets it right. Most mornings, we wake up dehydrated, grab coffee or sugary cereal, and by noon, we're bloated, sluggish, and craving sugar. Your body is in survival mode, not fat-burning mode. Plain water alone? It passes through your cells without truly hydrating them. Most people think they're starting their day healthy. Wait until you see why that's actually sabotaging your metabolism. It's not just the salt, it's how and when you use it. Today, I'll show you a morning pink salt recipe that boosts hydration, metabolism, gut health, and energy, all before your coffee. And at the end, I'll reveal the optional add-on that makes this routine even more powerful. Don't skip it. Recipe: 1 glass lukewarm filtered water, 1/4 teaspoon pure Himalayan pink salt, ½ teaspoon fresh lemon juice, optional, pinch of cayenne or black pepper, optional, boosts metabolism, 1 teaspoon raw honey, optional for sweetness. Instructions: 1. Dissolve pink salt in water first. 2. Add lemon juice and optional spices. 3. Drink slowly within 10 minutes of waking before brushing your teeth or eating. Why this timing works. Your gut is most receptive, cells absorb hydration efficiently, and your body can switch from storing fat to burning fat. Most people do this wrong. Just sprinkling salt on food won't give the same results. I'll explain why next. Why it works. 1. Cellular hydration. Pink salt has 80+ minerals like magnesium, potassium, calcium, and iron, hydrating your cells deeper than plain water. 2. Electrolyte and hormone balance. Sodium isn't the enemy. Balanced electrolytes support adrenal function, stabilize cortisol and insulin, and help curb belly fat. 3. Metabolism boost. Lemon plus pink salt plus cayenne wakes up your liver and digestive system to help break down stored fat. 4. Digestive support. Stimulates stomach acid, reduces bloating, and improves nutrient absorption. 5. Sleep and hormonal rhythm. Morning minerals help regulate your circadian rhythm and reduce late-night sugar cravings. Tip: supports healthy metabolism and fat loss when combined with a balanced diet. If you think all salts are the same, wait until you hear the 3 mistakes most people make with pink salt. Common mistakes: using pink salt only during meals, too late to impact hydration or hormones. Using processed or neon pink salts, avoid additives, stick to raw Himalayan pink salt. Skipping it due to low sodium myths. Balanced sodium is essential for metabolism and energy. Optional add-ons. Apple cider vinegar. Boosts insulin sensitivity and digestion. Rinse mouth afterward. Cinnamon. Supports blood sugar regulation and fat loss. Chia seeds. Soak 1 tablespoon 30 minutes later to stay full and add fiber and omega-3s. Pre-made pink salt concentrates. Convenient for busy mornings. No additives. Adding just one of these can dramatically supercharge your results. But I'll tell you which one is my favorite. Every morning, 1/4 teaspoon Himalayan pink salt in lukewarm water. Add lemon, cayenne, cinnamon, or ACV if you like. Drink slowly, then enjoy a healthy breakfast 30 minutes later. Do this daily for 7 days, and you'll likely notice less bloating, more energy, improved digestion, a trimmer waistline. Check out our next video. Drink 1 cup every day for 3 days and support fat loss fast. Perfect follow-up to accelerate results. Start tomorrow morning, not next week. Your metabolism, gut, and energy levels will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real wellness tips. No gimmicks, just results.